Hello guys, welcome to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in this video we'll take a look at an altcoin, JasmyCoin, surviving the bear market. We're deep in the crypto bear market of 2022. All coins are down really bad in the last 1 year, including JasmyCoin. How long will this bear market last for JasmyCoin? How low can JasmyCoin go in the bear market? We'll take a look at the JasmyCoin US dollar price chart. We'll be looking at JasmyCoin's performance against both Bitcoin and Ethereum, and then we'll take a look at JasmyCoin's market cap, currently at $19 million. Should we start accumulating JasmyCoin, getting ready for the next bull run? Can JasmyCoin go any lower in this bear market? What's the highest price we might get for JasmyCoin in this bear market? We'll be talking about that and more in this video. But first guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. If you want to make money long-term trading or investing in cryptocurrencies, if you want to get the latest crypto news, price predictions, and chart analysis, this is the channel for you. Let's get down to business. Guys, at the point of recording this video, we're down really bad in the crypto bear market of 2022. Altcoin specifically has been having a hard time in 2022. The graph is down 93%, Atom is down 64%, even the king of the market, Bitcoin, is down more than 71% in the last 1 year. All coins have been having a terrible time, JasmyCoin included. JasmyCoin, even though it's up 15.9% in the last 1 week, is down 18.9% in the last 1 month, and it's also down 97.2% in the last 1 year. This is the JasmyCoin US dollar price chart. We have seen JasmyCoin at some point in time in 2021 trade above $4.8. It looks like a distant future right now because since then, JasmyCoin has been dumping to Goblin Town. First, it lost 99% of its value in the process, and then we saw a relief from July 2021 after the mini bear market we had in crypto. JasmyCoin returned more than a 3,400% gain, going from as low as 0.0090 to as high as $0.33, returning over 3,400%. A $1,000 investment in JasmyCoin in July 2021 would have returned more than $34,000 by November 2021. But that's not the end of the story. Now, since November 2021, JasmyCoin has been dumping to Goblin Town, going from as high as $0.32, setting new all-time lows. Right now, JasmyCoin is down 99% from the high we set in November 2021. And if we're going from the all-time high where we saw JasmyCoin trading in February 2021, JasmyCoin is down 99.93%. How long will the bear market last, guys? Bear markets are notoriously known to be very, very tricky and very, very boring. A lot of times in the bear market, all the coins are going down for majority of the time. But we're always surviving the bear market because when the bull run comes around, you want to be among those people shouting kumbaya, shouting to the moon. Because guys, if you get some JasmyCoin right now where it's currently trading, if we get back to where we were in November 2021, JasmyCoin, a $1,000 investment in JasmyCoin right now should be worth over $77,000. This will not happen overnight. We all know in crypto, we have our good times. Right now, we're going through the bad time. FTX imploded, taking the market down with it. A lot of coins in the market are feeling the impact of the FTX implosion. Even Bitcoin is feeling the impact. Bitcoin is currently trading below $17,000. Guys, I'm not going to lie to you. The bear market might be long, it might be brutal, but you want to stick around for when the bull run comes around. We had a little taste of what JasmyCoin can do when the market is in good conditions. When Bitcoin was going from $29,000 to as high as $69,000, in that time frame, JasmyCoin went up more than 3,000%. So just a 100% move in Bitcoin resulted in more than a 3,000% move in Bitcoin. So if you picture a world where Bitcoin might possibly be heading towards $100,000 and Ethereum heading towards $10,000, guys, I won't be shocked to see JasmyCoin pump to the moon. Now, can JasmyCoin set any new low in this bear market? There's always that possibility. I was talking about how this is the line in the sand for JasmyCoin in previous videos. And after the FTX implosion, we have seen JasmyCoin find it difficult to reclaim the $0.0083 $33 level. Now this will be our line in the sand. JasmyCoin will be finding a way to get above the $0.008 level. This will be the resistance we'll have to face through the bear market. If we're lucky and JasmyCoin can get above this level, then we'll start talking about other resistance level as we are going higher. But right now, we'll have to see what JasmyCoin will do when we get to this level. Can we go any lower than the $0.0033 level we got to on the 9th of November 2022? Guys, there's always that possibility that we can go lower. In the bear market, you don't want to ever say never say never. All coins are down really bad. They can continue dumping to gobbling town. It all depends on Bitcoin. If Bitcoin starts heading towards $13,000 right now, I won't be shocked to see a lot of altcoins taking out their low and setting new lows. But if you're a long-term investor, if you're thinking in 2 years, 3 years, what will JasmyCoin be doing? This is the best time to start accumulating. Guys, remember, you don't want to always go all in on these altcoins because they can keep dumping to gobbling town. From the high that JasmyCoin just set in March 2022, JasmyCoin now is down 92% from that high. This is why you want to be careful with altcoins in the bear market. JasmyCoin currently has a market cap of $19 million with a fully diluted market cap of $209 million. We have 10% of the 50 billion JasmyCoin. Over 4.7 billion JasmyCoin are circulating out of the maximum supply of 50 billion tokens. Currently ranked 521 on CoinMarketCap. Over 99,000 people have JasmyCoin on their watch list. Why will you want to get some JasmyCoin? JasmyCoin is a cryptocurrency project of Tokyo-based Internet of Things provider Jasmy Corporation. As a system, the Internet of Things include mechanical and digital elements endowed with an identifier and the ability to transmit data. The Internet of Things company Jasmy specializes in buying and selling data, and the Jasmy platform connects to category, service provider, and data users. Where can you get some JasmyCoin? Guys, be careful out there. FTX imploded. A lot of these exchanges might go boom. Be careful. Remember, not your keys, not your coins. But if you're going to get some JasmyCoin right now in the bear market, you can get some on Binance, on Coinbase, on KuCoin, on BitTop, on Bitfinex, on Kraken, and anywhere you get your favorite altcoins. If you take a look at JasmyCoin performance against Bitcoin, it has been heading to gobbling town for the better part of 2022. Since when JasmyCoin topped against Bitcoin on the 3rd of November 2021, it has been a very turbulent 365 days for JasmyCoin. In the process, JasmyCoin has lost 96% of its value against Bitcoin since when it topped in November 2021. Can it go any lower in this bear market? There's always that possibility. Right now, JasmyCoin is threatening to set new all-time lows against Bitcoin. Are we going to see new all-time lows against Bitcoin? Guys, JasmyCoin doesn't perform as well as Bitcoin in the bear market, then that's going to be a reality. And history has shown us that over time, a lot of altcoins don't perform as well as Bitcoin in the bear market. So I'll be getting ready to see JasmyCoin setting new lows against Bitcoin. It doesn't mean the price of JasmyCoin is going to be dumping. It just means Bitcoin will be performing better than it. If the market dumps, maybe Bitcoin won't dump as hard as JasmyCoin. If the market is pumping, maybe Bitcoin will pump harder than it. But guys, always remember, if you're a long-term investor, we always know that there's a time in future when JasmyCoin is going to pump to the moon. The last time we saw it outperform Bitcoin by more than 1,800% in less than 90 days. So all these huge moves to the upside can happen very, very quickly. JasmyCoin's performance against Ethereum similar to its performance against Bitcoin. When the market is pumping, we see JasmyCoin gaining value quickly to the upside against Ethereum. JasmyCoin has gone up 1,400% in 120 days against Ethereum before, even though right now when the market is not in good conditions, it can give out all those gains, also threatening to set new lows against Ethereum in the bear market. JasmyCoin's market cap is currently at $19 million. Guys, we have seen JasmyCoin's market cap even get to as high as $1.5 billion at some point in time in November 2021. JasmyCoin's market cap has set new lows in the bear market, but that doesn't mean we're not going to see it at that $1 billion region in the future. For us to get back to that $1 billion region or $1.5 billion region, guys, JasmyCoin will have to go up over 7,900%. Will that happen now? Probably not. Will that happen at some point in time in the future? Guys, you have to watch and see. Bitcoin is heading towards $100,000 and the total crypto market cap is breaking into new all-time highs. I won't be shocked to see JasmyCoin finally going back above $1 billion. So guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. Are you buying more JasmyCoin right now? Are you waiting for lower prices? Do you believe we're going to take out this low, the $0.0033 level for JasmyCoin? Or is this bear market bottom? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification if you want to get notified anytime I drop a new video. See you guys in my next video.